Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to start this series. I don't know what to call it. Maybe it's going to be a vlog or, the idea here is I'm going to be building an app, and so I just want to document the whole process, from the, how do I come up with the idea of for the project, all the challenges when it comes like to the technical challenges and all that. And so the last project I worked on, I had the same goal, but like it was just like a mess when I started recording the screen. I was working on the code. I was like having these. It was just a mess, as far as like recording the audio and trying to sync it with the video, and then it's like we're trying to run OBS, and I also like have VS Code running, and also like I don't like distraction when I'm working on something. So it wasn't just for me like the whole trying to like document every step of the way. So what I'm gonna be doing is I will just show you the progress, gonna give you like screenshots of the application. I will tell you, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, to be honest with you, but the application I'm gonna be working on is an app that is gonna allow you to generate video, like automate the whole process of generating those vertical short video for TikTok and YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. And so those are gonna be AI, we're gonna have voiceover. I've seen different platform, they trying to do the same thing, but they all messy, right? The quality is very low. So what I'm hoping to do in this project is to have this new state of the art like type of video generator. Okay, so I have used, I'm gonna just show you, like, this is a cool app I found. It's called Vizily. So it allows you to have this kind of wireframe using AI. You can just go over here, add a bunch of like things and shit. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just like stumble upon this. But there's also like you can ask it. You can just have text. You can describe your idea, whatever. This is actually what I've did to come up with this diagram or this yeah. And so I told her like the main application goal. And so here's we have like the start. So we're gonna get the fetch topic. This is something I've done. As you can see here, like for example, let's say robotics. This is something I just built. Like this is just for testing. And this is using the Gemini, Google Gemini API. Also, I'm going to add the ability to just like you can just type in the subject and go along with it, like without having to generate. But if you need more ideas, this is a cool way we can do it. Now, as far as when you find the topic idea, like as you see here, there's the decision of the users. I have built one app. Was just for this is an app I've built to generate YouTube video script, and it has this good idea where I already deployed it. So as you can see, if I type like robotics, for example, here, it will give you. Hopefully, it was gonna work. So it will give you these type of ideas. And if you want to like robotics in space exploration from rovers to satellite. So let's say, for example, you like that idea. You can get more idea by clicking. You can select it. And this is actually what I was planning to do. But you can also like click on explore. And when you click on explore, it generates all these new themes based on what you have selected. So you have the history of robotic and space exploration, rover in planetary exploration, challenges and innovation in robotic for space, the ethical consideration in robotic for space, robots for lunar base, Martian colonization, and beyond. So as you can see, it's very good, as coming up like with exploring like one main idea, and you dig deeper into it. Let's say you like Martian colonization and you select it. So what's going to happen is that you're going to have the outline over here. And this is exactly what I'm gonna use for my application. The only difference is this is gonna be a very short sentences. What I found with this type of outline, and when you try to generate the script, is very long. And as you can imagine, like I'm trying to do short videos, and the reason is what YouTube, for example, only allows 60 seconds. Instagram only allow 90 seconds. TikTok, it does allow longer, like 10 minutes, I believe, but that's the point is not how much the platform allows as far as the duration. Is the problem with the video, like AI video generation. It's like I can only generate like 3 second, 4 second, 5 second clips. This is the maximum. I can extend the clip, but it's very expensive. I'm gonna run the number in front of you so you can see the whole challenge. And this is why I wanted to document this process, because now I'm talking too much. And so when you generate the script, like I told you, it's gonna be short sentences. It's gonna be like, because these AI sometimes they don't listen to, they don't follow the instruction. Because I heard like they don't count, they don't know how to count. So when you tell it like give me 2,000 words, they don't know how to count 2,000 words. When we generate the script, we're gonna have like text to speech. I believe I'm gonna use something from either Google. They have a text to speech type of service, and also there's this other one. It's very popular. It's called 11 Labs. They have nice voices and all that. So this is also something that I have to let the user choose on the platform, so they can select what type of voice. It's going to be a lot of work, because you have to make sure like they can hear the demo voice without like running the service. I think it's gonna it looks simple on the surface, but once you start like digging into the details, it's like, anyways, when we have the text, I also need to run it into another service, which is gonna be like something like from OpenAI, like the whole thing, so we can have the timestamps. Now, when I get that, I have to make sure everything is in a JSON format. The voice is gonna be like, I don't know how I'm gonna split it, the voice, or I have no idea how to do it. But the text is gonna be in JSON format, and then, like I told you, we need the timestamp, and then once we do the timestamp, we're gonna create the video clips. So as far as creating the video clips, I can either generate the prompts using ChatGPT or Gemini or some other model like that, or what we can do is generate a photo, like an AI image, right, from Midjourney or something like that, and then using that image, we can generate the video, right? I have no idea, but so as far as like, this is where I get stuck. I wanted to start this project, but like I got stuck on these parts of the project, because these generating the videos, I had like two choices. I had this choice, these Pika arts. Yeah, I can't remember, but I have found two of these services. This is Runway. I'm gonna go with this unlimited plan. Unlimited generation of Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3 Alpha, Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, etc. And this is the other service. They also have an unlimited plan, which is this one, 58%, $58 a month. And both these services, they don't have an API. So what I found is this cool website over here, and they only charge $10 per month, and you can use Runway, you can use Midjourney, right? They have all these things over here: Runway, Insight Face Swap, Pixverse, Pika. So those Runway, Pika, and Midjourney. So those are the one I'm interested in, and it's very nice because all of them are in the same kind of like, and to work with it, it's very simple. You just have to have an authorization, so you can log in. You can send the text prompts, and you can use an image. This is as a end frame, but there's an option. Oh no, this is the gen video. Yeah, so there's a bunch of things over here. I don't want to go through it, but this is just the documentation. But they do charge like $10 a month, and you can start using this service. Like I said, I have generated these videos and pictures. This is done manually. I did not use an API or anything because I did not subscribe yet. This is just like the like a skeleton just to test the API. So here I typed a woman walking in Tokyo wearing a red dress, just like in the OpenAI demonstration, and it has generated this video. Kind of like it's very bad, As you can see, there the feet and all that, like she's walking backward. People are floating. It's kind of bad. The face and all that, it's not very clear. But those are the limitations that I've talked about. I have generated these things over here. Those are just pictures. I was like trying to do like Roman Empire type of video. I've generated this picture. This is another picture. Those are pictures that I've generated. And then what is the video? Well, the video are kind of like very bad, they don't make sense, Here I was trying to like have those people start like fighting each other and all that, but I couldn't do it, so it just had this zoom in type of animation. Another video I've generated, this one, it was kind of cool because this is just a static image, so it makes sense that you have like a cool zoom in type of effect. Pretty much everything was this is also like I was trying to have like people walking and shit. I had this watermark, but I'm not worried about it because it's gonna go away with the I don't think you can hear it because I did not route the audio to the but this is from 11 Lab. I've generated a quick script. So this is pretty much where I am right now. I do have a last service I want to discuss, which is this one. This is called Cloudinary, Cloudinary or something like that. It's very cool. You give it you give it a video, and you can crop it automatically. You can use FFmpeg or something like that, but the problem is not intelligent. It doesn't know. It can't recognize object. It can't recognize people. It cannot track objects or stuff like that on the screen. It doesn't do it because there's no intelligence into the software. You just give it dimension and it will just like do it, which is nice and free. But this one allows for more like customization. You can exactly tell it like what to crop. There's also an option to transform the video, meaning how you can slice it and glue two videos or two clips together, etc. It is paid. This is not free. You have to. If you have any suggestion or you have any opinion on how I can do this better, or if you know like cheaper alternatives to this, I found models that I can host locally, but trying to take a model, put it on Amazon server, something like it's not something I'm looking for. Something that's just straightforward. And yeah, so that's pretty much for this video. I hope you have a good day and see you next time.